Hi, and welcome to another tutorial in Python for Beginner series. In case you haven't watched the last tutorial, please watch it and then continue watching. Alright, now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, you are going to learn more about Python strings. Define a variable called creator and set it to Python was created by Guido van Rossum. I've told you that you can use both single or double quotes, but there are times when you need to use a specific form, otherwise, you're going to run into issues. Here is an example. Imagine you want to change the string into Python's creator is Guido van Rossum. So we want to add an apostrophe, like Python's creator is Guido van Rossum. You can see we have something wrong in our code because our string starts here and terminates here. All the characters we have after the second apostrophe, Python doesn't know what they are. So to fix this problem, we need to use double quotes so that we can have a single quote in the middle of the string. So let's change this to double quote. So now we can see the error is gone. Now if you print creator, you can see Python's creator is Guido van Rossum. Now let's change the string again to Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Now say we want Guido van Rossum inside double quotes. Now if we put double quotes here, the Python interpreter is confused because it thinks that the second quotation is the end of our string. So to solve this, we need to change the double quotes into single quotes, and then we can add double quotes in between our string. Now let's run this program. There you go. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. So these are the cases for using single or double quotes. Now in all the examples I have shown you so far, we only deal with short strings. But what if we want to define a string with multiple lines? In this case, we need to use triple quotes. Let me delete this. Now we add three quotes. 1, 2, 3. There you go. With this, you can define multiple strings. For example, hi everyone. Visit our website for more awesome tutorials and resources. Thank you, Leon Cardoza. Now let's run this program. And here's the result. So you get all the multi-line strings. Now let's change this back to Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Now here we can use square brackets to get the character at the given index in the string. Let me show you. So to get the first character, we use square brackets and type 0 like this. Creator, square brackets, and inside the square brackets type 0. So the index of the first character in the string is 0. So let's run this program and we get P. We can also use the negative index. With the negative index, we get the characters starting from the end. Let's enter -1. Now let's run our program and we get M. We can pass -2. It will return the second character from the end. Let's run it one more time and we get U. We can also extract some characters instead of a single character. For example, if we type 0:5, Python interpreter will return all the characters from the first index till the second index but will not return the character at the second index. When we run this program, the Python interpreter will return from index 0 till index 5 but excludes the character at index 5. So when we run this Python program, we are going to see Python. Let's run the program. And there you go, Python. Now, we also have default values for the start and the end index. If you don't supply the end index, the Python interpreter will return all the characters from the start till the end. Let's print this and there you go. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Now, if we change the start index to 1, it will exclude the first character. So when we run this program, we see YTHON. P is removed. Now we also have a default for the start index. Now if you don't supply the start index and enter the end index as 6, Python interpreter will assume the start index as 0. So let's run this program. There you go, we get Python. Now, what if we leave both the start index and the end index empty? Here, 0 will be assumed as the start index and the length of the string will be assumed as the end index. So with this syntax, you can copy or clone your string. In other words, if I define another variable, let's call it creator clone, and let's set it to creator square brackets, and inside the square brackets add a colon. Now this variable will return all the characters in the creator variable. So the second variable will be a copy of our first variable. So let's print creator underscore clone. There you go. We get Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Now here's a little exercise for you. Define a variable, name and set it to James. In the next line, add print and inside the parenthesis type name. Add square brackets and inside the square brackets supply the start index as 2 and the end index as -1. So what do you think we'll get on the terminal? I want you to tell the answer without running this program. Let's run this program. We get me. I hope you guessed it right. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this beginner series. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.